Why, hello, people. I've done 3 simple tips on hands before, so today we'll do part 2, I guess. 3 simple tips to draw feet, to think about while you're drawing them. Those beautiful feet. So, number 1, 3 simple shapes. Let me get my red color here. Alright, so same as the hand, the feet could be divided into 3 shapes. 1, 2, 3, right? So the first part at the front looks like the head of an axe, right? Something like this. Or looks like the edge of a samurai sword. I'll explain more later on tip 3. Okay, and the middle part is actually a triangle connecting part 1 and 3, right? So it's actually a triangle, and then you cut the top of it. That's the exact shape, right? So the third part is a teardrop shape at the side, which looks like this, right? And then at the front wheel, it kind of looks like this. Still a teardrop, but the curve is shown more of a triangular shape here. Alright. Simple tip number 2, the angry symbol. When you're looking at manga or anime, the characters, when they're angry, they always have this symbol on the head, right? You know what? Your feet is just as angry as well. So when you look at the feet side view, you could see the angry symbol, right? So make sure you put your angry symbol in when you're drawing the side view of the feet, which makes the curves more delightful to the eye. So don't forget, feet are always angry. Alright. So tip number 3, samurai sword shape before toes. So what does this mean? It means like the side view here, it actually looks like a samurai sword, right? So you draw the shape before you fill in the toes. That will make things easier, right? It's a bit intimidating at first if you think of 5 toes at once and you want to balance the fold, right? It's kind of tricky, right? But if you draw the shape first and then toes later, right? To look more natural and easy for you. So to recap, let's see. Number 1, 3 simple shapes. The head, the samurai sword or axe, the triangle at the middle, and the teardrop, number 3, at the end. And don't forget the angry symbol. The feet is always angry, right? Angry symbol when drawing the side view of the feet. And number 3, samurai sword shape before the toes, right? Before the toes. So draw the shape before you draw the toes, and they will look more in order. All right, within flow. So let's do some examples, right? Let's do some demos. All right, you think about it. 3 shapes, right? I'm thinking about the samurai sword shape, the triangle at the middle, right? And don't forget the angry symbol, right? So I'll do some on the other side. This view, right? You draw the shape first, and then you fill in the toes, right? More easy to manage, right? Easy stuff. Side view, Still the shape, don't forget, Samurai Sword. Right. Right. Angry symbol. Right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 shapes. Let's do one more. So we got the profile view. Profile. Now you know what I mean. The front. Right. Like this. Still angry, right? Toes. Side. Right. Back view. Right. Angry shape. Alright. So those are the 3 things again. Number 1, 3 shapes, right? Number 2, angry shape. And number 3, the big shapes before filling in the toes. Alright. So I hope they help you when you're drawing the feet, right? And I'll see you guys later.